Elsewhere, patients in Plymouth are being cared for in hotels as hospital bosses continue to find ways to address the problem of bed blocking. The NHS has confirmed that 32 hotel beds are currently available for people who would otherwise be delayed in hospital waiting for social care at home. Sam Blackledge sent us this report.
This concept of bed blocking, it's a phrase we hear quite often, and it's becoming one of the biggest problems the NHS is facing at the moment. But places like this is the Future Inn Hotel in Plymouth, could be part of the solution. We understand that 2 whole floors of this place have recently been given over to caring for people who have recently been discharged from Derriford Hospital. I spoke earlier to the chief executive of Abbey Care. They're the company responsible for finding staff to work in places like this.
They come out of hospital and generally the reaction is just so positive. They're really shocked at how lovely it is. It's just about enabling them to not suffer from any sort of hospital-acquired dependencies.
Now, of course, this is only ever designed as a temporary solution. It's never going to be a permanent fix for the problems in the health service. We have a statement from Devon Clinical Commissioning Group. They told us 32 beds are currently available to support people who would be delayed in hospital waiting for support at home. Feedback from patients has been excellent, and since March 2020, this has saved several thousand hospital bed days. This has freed beds for people who needed inpatient care in a hospital setting. I also spoke yesterday about this very topic with the Chief Executive of Derriford Hospital Trust, Anne James.
Our priority is to offload those ambulances as soon as possible, and then in clinical priority order, get those patients triaged and cared for. And that can mean that there's long waits. We do everything we can to minimise harm to patients.
Well, I also spoke earlier to a healthcare assistant who's actually spent the last 5 days working in the Future Inn Hotel here. She didn't want to go on camera, but she describes a really friendly atmosphere inside there, and she feels that this could be a really positive, albeit temporary, solution to the tricky issue of bed blocking. Sam Blackledge, ITV News in Plymouth.